Okay, we're here in the Philippines. Got some good fireworks here. My wife says she buys these for 25 pesos, but when I go there they charge me 50. And it's still only $1. They're pretty good fireworks. They're small firecrackers, but they're very powerful. It'll send this ball about 35 feet high. I'll show you real quick. Over here, babe.
Babe. Go there in the middle, babe.
Watch out.
Get out there now. Run.
Okay, there you go. Oh, wow. Okay, we're going to do this to Cam now. Watch out. Dangerous. Watch out. Oh, wow. Watch out. Watch out. Oh.
Almost.